How to fix Wi-Fi privacy warning on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and here you'll get to see guys, I'm on my Wi-Fi and it's connected and it's showing the privacy warning. Here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video guys. But now to get rid of from this privacy warning of your Wi-Fi, first thing first, simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device and tap on your Wi-Fi right over here, and simply go ahead and tap on the connected Wi-Fi that you're getting the privacy warning for. So I'm going to tap on this I button beside the connected Wi-Fi. Now once you're here, and he'll get to see the privacy warning message right over here at the very top. So you just need to scroll down from this page a little bit and he'll get to see the private Wi-Fi address. You just need to tap on this button and it might be set up with the off. So now you actually have to either set up with the fixed or rotating. Let's say I'm gonna select the fixed from here, tap on OK, and once you're done, if I get back from here, he'll get to see the problem has been fixed and the privacy warning has been gone. And this is how you can remove the privacy warning from the Wi-Fi. But if it's still not working on your iPhone, then you can tap on this I button once again beside your connected Wi-Fi, and then tap on forget this network, and then tap on forget. And then simply go and tap on your Wi-Fi again and then enter your Wi-Fi passcode and then join your Wi-Fi, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.